What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. We're gonna be breaking down how you can make an extra $100 a month driving rideshare, so Uber, Lyft, any of those other weird, ugly stepsister companies, as we call them, that always try to emerge and compete with Uber and Lyft. This will work for any of those. Before we jump in, we just wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Solo. Solo is an amazing app. It gets you better pay, better earnings all around. On top of that, you're gonna get $10 for signing up just using our link in the description below. And guess what? The sign up is free. So make sure you check that out, guys, and let's jump in. So essentially, how you do this, and this is what I tell most drivers, is that if you're not utilizing additional apps or services like Solo as an example, you're really losing out on a good amount of money. And this could go into apps for gas, really just about anything. There's a lot more you can do as an Uber and Lyft driver than people really even realize. But probably my favorite additional way of making income on top of Uber and Lyft outside of Solo is Play Octopus. Some of you guys might have heard of it before. It's an incredible service for Uber and Lyft drivers. And essentially what it is you get a tablet that straps to the back of your headrest that your customers can play games on. It's free, they pay for the data, they pay for everything. So that alone, you should just do it for that alone. You're getting a free tablet. It's free entertainment for your customers. This is phenomenal for your more introverted passengers that maybe aren't looking for that conversation. It's a great conversation starter. In the past, I would always start the ride by, saying if they had any music preferences, I could put a playlist on. I will still say that a lot, but now what I'm saying instead is, hey, you probably noticed there's a pretty fancy tablet in the back of the headrest. There's actually some games on there. You can win prizes. It's also got the weather, all kinds of stuff on it. But let's break it down in a little bit more detail straight from the website. So Play Octopus, upgrade your rideshare, extra earnings, get more tips and direct earnings from Octopus. Now that's, to me, the biggest selling point is everybody's heard those stories about those drivers. A lot of you guys probably heard the story about the guy that had a whole aquarium in his car. Still don't understand how he pulled that off. There's been some drivers that have been able to actually set up entire video game consoles with little mini TVs. Obviously those guys are getting tipped out the wazoo. So this is a great additional way for all of us to be going the extra mile and providing some extra entertainment for the passengers. They've shown that the drivers that get Play Octopus have higher ratings overall. Again, it's just a better ride, it's a better experience. Games make rides more fun and boost your ratings. Better conversations. Like I said, it's now going to be a lot easier to connect with your passengers than it ever has been before. And rather than, oh, it's hot out there, huh? Or some awkward opener, you can go right into saying hey, if you just want a nice peaceful ride, that's awesome. I did just want to let you know there's some awesome features on that tablet that you can access. You can win some Amazon gift cards, stuff like that. Here's a review from a driver. Rideshare drivers get free tablets, free mounts, and free LTE data, in addition to cash earnings for driving with the tablet. Here's what our drivers say. Sorry, that's not a driver review. That's just their review. You should get it. Definitely helps you engage with your passengers more and connect with them, says Sherry. She's been a Play Octopus driver since 2018. The current cities, it's in Atlanta, Austin, Baltimore, Boston, Charlotte, Chicago, Cincinnati, Cleveland, Columbus, Dallas, Denver, Detroit, Houston, Indianapolis, Jacksonville, Kansas City, Vegas, LA, Memphis, Miami, Minneapolis, Nashville, New Orleans, New York, Oklahoma City, Orlando, Philadelphia, Phoenix, Pittsburgh, Portland, Providence, Raleigh, Richmond, Sacramento, Salt Lake City, San Antonio, San Diego, San Francisco, Seattle, St. Louis, Tampa, Toronto, and DC. So really all the biggest markets are on there. I have heard too that if there is a city that you wanted to get the tablet in, you can essentially write to them, and as long as you can prove that you're giving a good volume of rides, they'll still send you a tablet. So that's their main markets where they've released them, but obviously there's other places as well. They've also done a lot of like driver events where they host a little party, have all the drivers come out that are in the area, test the tablets, little meet and greet. So it's a really awesome company. And again, you know, at the end of the day, you're talking a free tablet with free data and free entertainment for your passengers, and you make more money for just having it in your car doing what you're already doing. So definitely phenomenal service. I highly recommend it. I would say Play Octopus and Solo are my favorite additional apps or services as a rideshare driver. I've got links for both of those in the description below. So check both of those out and start making some more money while you drive today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates.